Yeah. Now we will show you the third part of our presentation, my video with economic tips. Come on, Alex.
Sí, hermano.
Economic tips. A consumer, after choosing the right air conditioner, should know some clever tricks for better operation. 1. The existence of insulation and energy frames in the property. 2. Air conditioners, inverter technology with energy class A label, offers the best efficiency with less money. 3. A large air conditioner that turns on and off frequently ends up burning up to 50% higher than expected. 4. Placing the outdoor unit is a shady place automatically offers savings of about 5%. 5. The clean lines of the indoor unit filters help the system function better. 6. Closed doors and windows in the air conditioned area cool the air conditioner and reduces air loss. Thank you very much.